Hi, Dr. Grace Carol P. Beltran here, your dermatologist, dermatologic and aesthetic surgeon, your genetologist, and your obesity resource person. Ang topic po natin ngayon ay very interesting. Although pinag-usapan na natin to dati, inuulit ko lang yung topic kasi may dagdag pa ako na iba na magandang bagay. So, ito yung tinatawag nating GLP-1 at GIP. GLP-1 stands for glucagon-like receptor 1, and then the GLP is glucose dependent insulinotropic polypeptide. Ito yung pinaka-latest ngayon sa pagpapapayat. Bukod sa inaapektuhan niya yung mga tao na may diabetes kasi it controls or it regulates your diabetes, no? Ibig sabihin napapababa niya yung blood sugar by increasing the insulin production and decreasing the glucagon production. Ito yung modify ng nung ating blood sugar sa ating katawan kasi nga yung mga hormones na to ang nagko-control ng ating blood sugar. Ngayon, bukod dito sa diabetes, it also helps in our cholesterol and triglyceride lipid profile, no? Kasi pinabababa din niya yung ating cholesterol and triglyceride. At bukod dito, inaano din niya, it lowers our blood pressure, it prevents stroke, and also prevents heart attack. It also prevents dementia or it delays dementia, and it decreases fat accumulation in the liver. So, yung fatty liver, piniprevent niya to. Just imagine, ang daming magagandang effect niya. Tapos, it also delays nephropathy. Kaya kapag ikaw ay may diabetes at nadadamage na yung kidney mo, na pe-prevent niya yung pagkakadamage ng kidney mo. At the same time na pinapapayat niya ang isang tao na may diabetes. And then, it also controls inflammation, and this benefits our vascular system. Kaya pinagaganda niya yung ating daluyan ng dugo, kaya nape-prevent yung stroke at saka yung mga heart attack, at saka gumaganda yung ating blood pressure. And then it also has a protective effect on our bone tissue, and at the same time, it is very neuroprotective, no? So, yung nga, pagka, it not only prevents stroke, but it is also neuroprotective. It protects our brain and then our other neuronal organs like the spinal cord, most probably. Ayan, so brain and spinal cord protection also. So, ang pinakamaganda nito, kasi nga, well-studied na, kaya at saka na pag-alaman natin na ang kanyang side effect ay very few lang, no? At saka tolerable man yung side effect niya, at saka very safe siya for people. So, kapag kayo ay may psoriasis kasi, bawal din ang tumataba kapag may psoriasis kasi na-aggravate ang psoriasis ninyo. And then it worsens your psoriasis if you are getting obese also while you are being treated for psoriasis. Kaya yung mga ibang pasyente na may psoriasis, ginagamot ko na rin or pinapapayat ko na rin sila at the same time para mas lalong controlled ang kanilang psoriasis. So, a combination of weight loss and treatment of psoriasis is very good, especially for patients with psoriasis and with obesity, no? Kasi nga nakokontrol both yung psoriasis at saka yung kanilang pagka-obese na nababawasan. At bukod pa dito sa binanggit ko na magaganda pang effect ng weight loss injectable na to. So, yun. So, ini-invite ko po kayo uli na kung kayo po ay tumataba at nagiging obese na, o bago pa lang nagsisimula yung obesity at meron kayong ibang mga sakit na kagaya ng minention ko, ay mag-join na kayo dun sa mga tao na nagpapa-inject nitong pampapayat na to. Ay, I forgot pa pala. It also prevents cancer, okay? Yung sinasabi ko, why it prevents cancer? Kasi binababa niya itong P13K, AKT, mTOR signaling, at saka yung, it also decreases the IGF-1 signaling pathway, which prevents the development of cancer. Aside from also decreasing the inflammation and also increasing the adenopectin, no? Yun yung mga effect niya. Yung increasing the adenopectin, this increases insulin sensitivity, decreases systemic inflammation, thus preventing cancer formation, and then it also decreases blood sugar. Yan. So, yun, yung mga effect niya. So, lahat ng binanggit ko, bukod pa doon, it also prevents the development of cancer. Kaya, alin na kayo, magpapayat na kayo at magpaganda na, no? At kung kayo may psoriasis, very good ito para sa inyo. For any more questions, just please get in touch through my numbers and please like, follow, and share my account.